Hello medicos, today topic antimicrobial drug part 5 inhibition of cell membrane synthesis. This is the last topic of antimicrobial drug. We already completed part 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you didn't watch then go and watch the video, link in the description. So I will start part 5 inhibition of cell membrane synthesis. Drug affecting the cell membrane. Drug affecting the cell membrane I classified into the 4 categories. Like first is the polypeptide antibiotics, second is the Pauline's antibiotic, third is the lipopeptide antibiotics, and last is the azole antibiotics. Polypeptide antibiotics like polymyxin B, polymyxin E, and tyrosine. It is the polypeptide antibiotic. Second is the Pauline's antibiotic. Pauline's antibiotic like amphotericin B, nystatin, hemicin, and natamycin. This is the Pauline's antibiotic. Lipopeptide antibiotic. Lipopeptide like daptomycin. It is very important. In all of this and this is the most important. And azole derivative like ketoconazole, itraconazole, and fluconazole. I will start polypeptide antibiotic. Polypeptide antibiotic mostly these both example are very important. Polymyxin B and polymyxin E. Polymyxin B and polymyxin E difference like polymyxin E also called colistin. Please learn this because mostly question ask only colistin. He will not write the polymyxin E. So colistin is very important name. What is the difference? Difference like polymyxin is a active form and polymyxin E is a inactive form. What means inactive form? Means it is used as a prodrug. Some people didn't know about what is prodrug. So prodrug is a drug which can biologically inactive compound which can use to metabolize the body to produce active form, active drug. It is used to metabolize into the body and form active drug. So it is a inactive compound. Metabolites are metabolized in the body to produce a drug. This is called prodrug. It is a metabolized in the body and produce a drug, also called prodrug, and both are bactericidal in nature. Bactericidal means both kill the bacteria, so both are bactericidal in nature. What is uses of the polymyxin B and polymyxin E? Polymyxin B uses like polymyxin B are effective against gram-negative organisms including pseudomonas, and uses of polymyxin E is the colistatin is effective against metallobeta lactamase and but not effective against Serratia proteus. Please learn this. This is very important example. This is not important for this. Like what is the adverse effect of the polymyxin B and polymyxin E? Both have the mostly same adverse effect, but like polymyxin causes numbness, tingling of hand or feet, dizziness, and allergy means hypersensitivity causes by the polymyxin B. And polymyxin E also causes burning sensation especially in the extremities and tongue. When eat food then causes burning sensation. So it adverse effect, it causes burning sensation in tongues and also extremities like upper and lower extremities. Also cause allergy, hypersensitivity, and dizziness. This is the adverse effect of the polypeptide antibiotics like polymyxin B and polymyxin E. Discussed about the polymyxin, like polymyxin are bactericidal or bacteriostatic. Bactericidal in nature means it kill the bacteria, but pollens are antifungal drug means it kill the fungus or stop the growth of the fungus. What it required? These require binding to sterol to so change the permeability of fungal cell membrane. I will discuss this in the mechanism of action. Now I will discuss uses of pollens. Uses of pollens like it is used in the corneal conjunctival, oral candidiasis, cutaneous candidiasis, and monilial vaginitis. This is the uses of pollens. These are important. Candidiasis. Candidiasis. It is used in the case of the candidiasis. What is the adverse effect of the pollens? Adverse effect of the pollens like bad taste occur, nausea, dizziness. This is the adverse effect. This is the normal adverse effect. So not more harm. What is the mechanism of the action of the pollens? The mechanism of action of the pollen like amphotericin B. Many pollens I discussed like amphotericin B, nystatin, hemicin and natamycin. What all have same mechanism of action. Like it bind with the ergosterol in fungal cell membrane. It bind with the ergosterol in fungal cell membrane, then form pores in the cell membrane. It causes the cell content leak out and cell death. Causes cell death. So organism also fungus causes the death of the fungus. These are the mechanism of action of the all pollens, all type. Third is the lipopeptide antibiotic like daptomycin. It is also called cubicin. Please learn this. It is also called cubicin. And daptomycin is the most important in all cell membrane inhibition antibiotics, because most of the question asked in the examination from the daptomycin. So I will discuss daptomycin in detail. Daptomycin, what the uses of daptomycin? Mostly daptomycin used in the case of the treatment of skin infection like skin and underlying tissue caused by bacterial infection. This is called, it is used in case of the skin infection. Daptomycin is a drug of choice. It is a drug of choice for Varsa also as well as MRSA. Varsa and MRSA both, but it is used in case of both Varsa and MRSA. But when both options are in the examination, then we will choose Varsa, because mostly it is a drug of choice for Varsa, but not effective in the case of pneumonia. In examination, when he will ask why it is not effective in case of the pneumonia, then option I will choose the option like we will choose because it decreases the surfactant of lungs. Why not use? Because daptomycin causes the decreasement of the surfactant of the lung. So it is not used in case of the pneumonia, because when surfactant decreases, when problem in the lungs occur, so it is not used in case of the pneumonia patient. It kills the gram positive bacteria. All gram positive bacteria kills. Also for MRSA. So MRSA and Varsa both, but when both are in option, then we will choose Varsa because it is a drug of choice for Varsa. It's very important. Daptomycin is a drug of choice for Varsa and not effective in the case of pneumonia. It already asked in the examination because it decreases the surfactant of the lungs. What is the adverse effect of the daptomycin? Adverse effect of the daptomycin like myopathy. It's very important example. Myopathy. Most important. This is the very important. Myopathy causes by adverse effect of the daptomycin. It's already asked also. Daptomycin adverse effect myopathy. Discoloration of the skin, bleeding, rash, blistering on the skin means patches like on the skin like this, and allergy, hypersensitivity occur, inflammation and lumps occur. So daptomycin causes many adverse effect, but myopathy is the most important example. This is the adverse effect of the daptomycin. Azoles are the broad spectrum antifungal drug. Azoles are also antifungal drugs. We already discussed the fluconazole. Here I will discuss other all. Mostly they are taken as well as oral or IV, both form. It will taken both form, oral as well as IV. They have fungistatic property, means it not kill the fungus, it stop fungal growth, not kill the growth of the fungus. It stop the growth of the fungus, not it kill the fungus. It block the cytochrome P450 dependent enzyme. Please learn this, it's very important. It block the cytochrome P450 dependent enzyme. So if we block this, so in this cases lanosterol not converted into ergosterol. So if he will ask in the examination what is the mechanism of action of the azoles derivative, like any antifungal drug, we already discussed ketoconazole, itraconazole and fluconazole. So its adverse effect like mechanism of action is it causes the in conversion, it inhibit the conversion of lanosterol into the ergosterol. This is the mechanism of action of the, this is the mechanism of action of azoles, all azoles derivative. It didn't causes the lanosterol conversion into the ergosterol, so causes the cell membrane burst and causes death of the fungus. What is uses of azoles? Uses of azoles also, it is used in the case of candidiasis, ringworm, thrush yeast infection, infection of the yeast and seborrheic dermatitis, means in skin infection also it is used in case of the skin infection. What is the adverse effect of the azoles? Adverse effect of azoles like oligospermia, azoospermia, means all genital problem occur in male and female both. Mostly oligospermia mostly occur in the males, it causes the oligospermia, azoospermia, gynecomastia, impotency. This is the adverse effect, means it causes the sterility, it causes sterility or decrease in the sperm count or inhibit the synthesis of the sperm, means azoospermia, no sperm formation occur, gynecomastia condition occur. Hepatotoxicity also causes, and hypokalemia, adrenal insufficiency and hyponatremia, means hypokalemia and hyponatremia both causes by the azoles when it taken more amount or for a long time. This is the adverse effect of the azoles. Now we completed part 5 and also complete antimicrobial drug. So please solve the question related to this video and also from the previous video and send the answer in comment section. I will give the answer of this on my Instagram profile. So follow also me on Instagram, link in the description.